Hey everyone, this is Andre with the Wings Mobile Detailing franchise, and in this video we'll show you the basics of exterior detail. And today we're detailing this nice beautiful blue Camaro. We're going to show you the importance of detailing, protecting, and the methods of doing from wheel cleaning to exterior washing, the soap that we use, the bucket method that we use, the importance of having a nice reconditioning on the vehicle before going in with the wash mitt, and also the methods that we use to provide a beautiful and nice detail service. As you can see, the importance of doing a nice detail, a professional one, is not only for the method that you're going to use to avoid from scratching the paint, but most importantly, as you can see on this paint, the water is not beading at all. So once you have the protection applied, professionally detailed with a nice, whether it's been a coating of wax or sealant or a Wings Formula Pro ceramic sealant, those will offer a nice layer of film protection on top of the paint. It's going to prevent from road grime from eating away the paint job, and once you throw water on it, it's going to bead really nicely. And also, it's not going to get this etched surface and dirty surface as often. It's going to be the nice wet looking finish. So this next step is going to be pre-soaking the car, pre-rinsing it, and then doing the foam gun. This is a nice thick foam which is going to recondition the vehicle and get it ready, so all the surface dirt is going to slide down with the foam. One of the methods we also utilize for detailing the vehicle is using a bucket method with a grit guard inside the bucket. So we have here the soap, a wash mitt, but inside we have this thing is the grit guard. So it grabs all the dirt from sitting on top of the wash mitt. Once you put the wash mitt inside and we rub against the grit guard, it's going to trap all the dirt underneath the bucket. And once we go back with the wash mitt again, the water is going to be clean because all the dirt will be trapped underneath. And we are not going to be grabbing old dirt and putting it back on the paint. With different services, we can offer different levels of protection. Using the Wings Formula Pro product line, we can do a ceramic sealant protection. The ceramic sealant, as opposed to just a liquid thin layer of wax, will offer better, deeper protection, more wet, deep finish to the surface of the vehicle, and it will protect from road grime from eating away the paint job as well.